Aerofara Aero 2 Pro Mini PC Review. It seems like yesterday that we reviewed our first Aerofara product, the Aerofara Aero 3. This time around, we've put its little brother, the Aero 2 Pro, to the test. This mini PC delivers Windows 10 Pro, and soon Windows 11 Pro, in a tiny package and with a price tag that's extremely competitive, especially when accounting for the 2021 Celeron processor that powers it and the amount of memory and storage bundled. We have some reservations about the number of USB ports, only 3, and the absence of a VESA mount to hide it behind monitors or displays. The inclusion of a VGA port is less contentious though, partly because it allows Aerofara to serve a small but significant niche of VGA display and projector owners that are often left with old, unserviceable, power-hungry and unsecure systems. With millions of Windows XP and Windows 7 PC filling scrapyards, it does make sense for more VGA-friendly mini PC to emerge. Pricing and availability. At the time of writing, the Aerofara Aero 2 Pro is available from Amazon.com for $249, £229, after a $20 rebate. Note that the price includes free, fast delivery and that Amazon does ship to other countries and territories, albeit with additional shipping fees and taxes. A cheaper and slower version is available with 4GB of RAM and 64GB SIM, but we'd strongly advise against it. The performance penalty would be too high to justify the savings. Design. Aerofara went for a CNC milled aluminum alloy chassis to help dissipate the heat produced by the components. No surprise therefore that it has some sharp edges, plenty of outlets to allow for hot air to escape and a premium feel to it. The Aero 2 Pro shares its design with countless other mini PCs that use the same chassis, at 120mm by 120mm by 23mm. It is small enough to be tucked away in a drawer but not behind a monitor as there's no VESA mount.